We're going to be using a relatively new tool available starting in Excel 2013. It's called Flash Fill, and many times it's going to be faster and better, although it doesn't ultimately have as much flexibility as text to columns. If you slide over the Flash Fill button on the Data tab, the description reads, automatically fill in values. Enter a couple of examples you want as output and keep the active cell in the column you want filled in. Doesn't tell us everything, but it sounds kind of interesting. Look at column A. Two problems. The major one is we cannot sort this list by last name. The minor problem, possibly, is all uppercase. We'd prefer to have just the first letters capitalized. I'm going to insert a new column to the left of column B. Right-click, Insert. Now, the flash fill idea is I'm going to type the data here the way I want it to appear. So I'm going to do two things. I'm going to be typing the names in reverse order, Santos, Evan, and I'm only going to be capitalizing the first letters. Santos, space, Evan. Enter. And now I'm going to start typing the second name with a capital W. And in effect, Excel is saying, I see what you're doing. I'm going to repeat this down the column. And you can probably see in gray the other names are about to appear. I'll simply press enter. We're all set. We don't have any formulas here or anything. We could get rid of column A. Now, I'm going to undo this with Control Z and go back and show you another way to do it. Let's imagine, as I press Control Y to undo the undo, I've just typed in Evan Santos. The other technique for using Flash Fill is to complete the single entry, then go to that feature, Flash Fill. Click it, and Excel does the job.
Learning doesn't stop here. Discover more expert-led tutorials at LinkedIn Learning. Start your free trial today at linkedin.com/learning.